Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix Windows Defender Engine Unavailable in Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's get started. The very first step that you need to do is you need to bring up your Google Chrome or whatever browser that is present in your Windows or that is available in your computer. That's good, okay? So just have to open it, and here at the Windows search bar, you need to paste this link, which I'll be including at the description box below. So just have to copy it and paste it here at the Windows search bar. The moment you have pasted it, click on enter and wait until you are being redirected to the result, okay? So you would be redirected to this channel, which is Victor Explains. Just have to scroll down, okay? And here, you need to look for this one. Visit the official Microsoft website, which contains the link. Just have to click this link. Okay. And the moment you click on it, wait until you are being redirected to the result again. Okay. So here you would be redirected to the security intelligence updates for Microsoft Defender, antivirus, and other Microsoft anti-malware. Now here you need to scroll down. Okay. And you need to look for this. Okay. Where it has this anti-malware client version, update type, and an NIS updates. Now before proceeding on this two or in this one, you need to identify first whether if you have a 32-bit or a 64-bit type of computer. How you would be able to identify your system type, okay? So here at the bottom search bar, please type for info. The moment you have typed it, a system information will appear. Here you need to click on open to continue, and you would be able to see this new window called system information, where here you need to proceed on system type, and there you would be able to find out or identify what system type do you have in your Windows. So in my case, I have a 64-bit based PC. In your case, you may have the 32-bit or a 64-bit. Okay, so once you have identified it, you need to choose one of this. So if you have a 32-bit PC, proceed to the first. And if you have the 64-bit PC, proceed to the second. Click on it. And the moment you click on it, it will start on downloading the file. Okay, just have to wait until this will be downloaded. Okay, so that's it. Just have to install this in your Windows and check if your problem has been fixed. Okay, so have to click this file icon there, and you would be redirected to the location where that specific file is being located to. Click on it, double tap to click on it. Okay. So just have to run this in Windows or computer and check if your problem has been fixed, okay? So that's it. If you think this video helps, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and take care, everyone.